Oi! Ah. Hey, Diesel.
Hey, human, what are you doing?
All right, Diesel, so what am I building? Okay, well, I'm building let's see, how to describe this. It's a cutting board, but everybody makes cutting boards on YouTube, so I don't want to make a cutting board. It's a serving tray, a river serving tray, if you will, Diesel.
Good morning, human.
Flower, what are you doing?
Coffee.
Hey, Flower.
No,
Yes,
I
leave my coffee
want
alone.
coffee.
Okay, bye-bye, Flower.
Ah!
All right, so, Diesel.
Yes.
A river tray. It's a serving tray, basically a cutting board. Because everybody on YouTube has to make cutting boards, right? Woo, cutting boards.
Absolutely.
Let's be honest. They're simple, they're fast. Well, I'm not doing a cutting board today. I'm doing a river serving tray. So, what a river serving tray is, you need 2 contrasting boards. Dark, light, hardwood combination will work. So, and I need to cut them down to 6-7 inches each. 6-7 inches each. So let's do that. Cat.
Please don't poke me. Don't poke me, that hurt.
Boop. Go away, kitty.
Please don't poke me.
Kitty's not going away. So at this point, I'm kind of looking, what do I have? Where are my knots? Big knot here, big knot there, big knot there, right, Diesel? Okay. So if I want them in my board, that gives it some real character, but it creates some weak spots, right? So it's pluses or minuses. Everything in life's pluses or minuses. So do I want to cut from this way? Or do I want to cut from this way? It's kind of where I'm at. I'm looking at this and I'm thinking...
Coffee.
I want
Coffee.
7 inches here.
Coffee.
And we'll cut out those knots.
I love coffee.
Yeah, coffee high.
I want some coffee.
You gonna get some caffeine in you, kitty?
I like coffee.
And then this one, 6 inches. So let's chop up some lumber. So 5 plus 7 is 12. That is the maximum width of my planer. So that's what we're going with. Measured out 7 inches. Let's choppy. See, Diesel, if you make a cut and you don't move the fence, your board is still the same width and it's not going to make another cut. So now, tape measure!
You do have a point, right? Like a good spot. You really want stuff.
Seems awfully narrow. 5?
Do it right. You do it today.
And this is just artistic looks. What do you want it to look like? So I'm going to cut it at 5. All right, Diesel, you can glue this up for me?
No, I don't want to. No, I want to.
No, of course not, because yes, you're so helpful here in the shop, aren't you?
I do what I want.
Got these boards cut down to size. What we'll do is we're gonna channel my inner Martha Stewardess. I got my hot glue gun. You know, the crafty lady, not the felony lady. Is there anything I really don't like or anything I really do like? So I think we'll just kind of set that there-ish. What I'm doing is I want to make a temporary hold. I just want to bond these together temporarily, and I want to easily pop them apart. So I think hot glue will work. It might not. I don't know. I don't do hot glue a lot. My hot glue gun working? Is that gonna work? I have no idea. I think that worked. Okay, now bandsaw time. Okay, so have our one board turned into 4. So the hot glue works well. I really liked how the hot glue worked out. Okay, so now, if I remember correctly, it's that board goes there, that board goes there. If I match them up at the ends, we have a river. So pretty.
Where's the fish in the river?
Yeah, hey, where's the fish? Okay, so at this point, it's just like any other glue up. Just need to get a little bit of glue on the joint. Whee, up and down. Okay. Glue, 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 glue. Don't have the glue. Right there. It's gonna go like that. And then decent amount of glue on this one. Okay. Now we clamp. I get this in straight, the whole thing should be lined up. In theory. I am not a professional. I just play one on the internet. He's running around somewhere. Ah, stay. And now we wait. All right, Diesel, we ready to bang this thing out?
No, I don't want to.
Good morning, board. Which one to do first? Let's get rid of these. All right, Diesel, so if you're worried about your strong back getting glued to your project, which is a valid concern, on the edge that makes contact to your project, just put a piece of packing tape. So that way, if the packing tape gets glued down, the board can come off of the packing tape. Whee! Bye-bye, board. Heads up, Diesel.
Hello, please, eat. How about you?
Cat, what are you doing here, Flower? Hey, you stay away from my coffee.
But I love coffee.
My coffee.
But I love coffee. My favorite. It's my favorite.
Alright, so we have the riverboard. Ooh, ah, pretty. Next, Diesel, let's run it through the planer, and then we'll sand it down, and then we'll put hardware on it. Let's do it. Alright, Diesel, how about you go cut up this board now?
With these paws, I think not.
Diesel, you cut up the board now.
I don't want to reach a paw.
Fine, I'll go cut the board. Lazy dog. All right, Diesel, let's sand this thing.
I'll go by a 4-by hand.
Okay, So there are many products that you can buy for this purpose. The thing you want to keep in mind is this is a kitchen item. It's not really a cutting board, but it might be used as a cutting board. So I'm a little nervous about food safety. So I'm not gonna just polyurethane this or do something like that. What I am using here is a butcher block conditioner. Right, wrong, or otherwise, I've had a lot of luck with this over the last couple projects I've done. It goes on nice, and basically it's going to soak in the wood over the next hour, and then I can wipe off excess. And if this was an inch and a half or thicker, you would actually let this sit overnight to soak into the butcher block. Cats, you're going to get locked up.
I want to get locked up.
Stay off my project.
Yummy! I like this.
No licking it.
Yummy! This is so yummy! I want to eat it
Hey,
all. Give me
stop
more.
eating it. I don't know truly how safe it is to just drink it out of the bottle, Cat.
Yummy, this is so good. I like this.
Gotcha. So that's it. I'm gonna let this soak for a little bit. Snowflake, I think I'm gonna lock you in your closet.
Why?
Don't turn your head away from me,
Don't lock me up.
because I can't trust you with this.
Oh! Alright, hi Diesel. Well, this brings us to the end of our adventure for the river. I have my voice casting crew here helping me. Who are you?
I was Diesel.
You were Diesel.
I was the cat flower and Snowflake.
Yep, you are the cats. So, I guess I missed showing you the hardware. All the hardware was just drill 2 holes and
Made the
put the screws in.
river.
Well,
They made the river. I got this. It's called a screen.
it's a stream, huh? All right. Well, thank you, and I hope you come check us out next time for our next adventure in the shop.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, get back to work. Mush, mush. Get back to work.